During the pandemic, it was hard just to stay sane. So I definitely turned to running. Me and two friends, we just decided, okay, we're gonna sign up for the virtual New York Marathon. We're gonna train for it and we're gonna do it right here in LA. We did 8 of these 3.2 mile loops to get to the end of the marathon. Just knowing like where I was in New York on the map, I was like, okay, yes, I can feel like I'm there even though I'm just doing these loops around the reservoir, and it helped me push to the finish line. As much as running is a solo sport and it's just you and you're doing it, when you're next to someone or behind someone else that's running or just inspired by a big group that's pushing you, it just gives you that extra push to keep going, and it reminds you that you aren't in it alone. I'm so glad and so lucky that I got brought to a run club and that it became such a huge part of my life. Running is so hard and painful, and sometimes so hard that you're like, what am I even doing? But running helped me get through definitely the hardest part of my life, which was coming to terms with myself, being a part of the LGBT community, and after that, letting my parents and my family and letting everyone know who I really was. Running with my fellow LGBT community has helped me really accept who I am. I am strong. I've got this. I am who I am. I'm gonna be okay no matter what. I am so thankful that I have my fellow friends that we can get together and run, and I can just dish out all my feelings. The only shoe and my favorite shoe that I'll ever run in is a Hoka. It has been extremely hard to convince me to even put anything else on my foot. There's just something about it. It feels like it is hugging your foot. It's supportive, it's cushioned, it just feels like it has your back no matter what. When you complete a goal that's a running-based goal, it just shows you that if you put in hard work, you can get there. And that's with anything in life. If you put in time, if you put in work, if you put in effort toward whatever it is that you care about, you are gonna get to the finish line. You are gonna finish your goal and you're gonna accomplish it with flying colors.